All right, question I'm trying to answer today is why will stocks go back up? We're talking a lot about the opportunity that exists with a market disruption, of course, but not providing a lot of context. And I think it's important to dig into that a little bit. Now, of course, every advisor is referencing their charts going back to 1926 and pointing at the large setbacks followed by a series of large increases in the years following. Why does that happen? Right? Because of economic cycles? I think we can look at that and expansion versus contraction, recession in the modern world that's been dictated by government policy. So we have fiscal policy and monetary policy, government spending and interest rate policy. We know the last few years this has been extreme, a lot of money in the system from spending and interest rates at 0%. That caused inflation. Now we're trying to fight it. On the other end of that, the Fed's going another extreme policy, hiking interest rates at a pace we haven't seen, trying to cause a recession, trying to slow growth, and in the process, bringing down the valuation of publicly traded companies and stocks. Now, the other part of this is the market is essentially a popularity contest, right? In the short term, there's a lot of things that are based on confidence and sentiment. That momentum is powerful. And so we have this shifting sentiment, this shifting lack of confidence in the sell-off in stocks. Becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy at some point. The same thing with the recession that everyone has seen coming for an extended period of time. At some point, there'll be a piece of news, there'll be a policy shift back in the other direction that will move markets, it will change that confidence, it will change that sentiment towards investing in stocks. And policy will change. That will make it easier to do business again. Right now, it's not going to be easy to do business if interest rates continue to rise. Things haven't gotten too bad yet, but it will. So at some point, it's going to shift back into being an easier place to do business and allowing companies to make more money. As we know, when we're investing in stocks, we're looking for future cash flow. And we talked about the market being a popularity contest in the short term. In the long term, it really weighs results. So companies that make money and have actual results are rewarded in the long term. So I hope that helps provide a little bit of context to why stocks will come back. The economic cycles are repeatable.